Hi, this is Wanda, and I just wanted to show you some of the things that I have tested for finishes. And today I am really excited about this one, which is $7.99 at Hobby Lobby without the coupon. And I tried it last night. This one is the one that I brushed one coat on. It's only had one coat brushed onto it, and it did level out really well because there were brush marks and I wondered if it was going to show. This is the one that I poured it on, and you can see that it has a really good shine to it. It does look a little bit dimply, and there might be a few little pinholes in that one, but you can see that I'm not good with the camera, but you can see how glossy it is. Okay, this is the top coat. That is the clear pouring top coat that everybody's all excited about, and that's the price at Hobby Lobby without the coupon. And this is what it poured to end up looking like. Let me switch hands. This is quite shiny. It gives a real plasticky feel, if you feel of it. And it did show where I would use a brush and tried to spread it out a little bit after I poured it on. I didn't pour it really thick and use a whole lot of it. I was trying to save it because it's so expensive. So maybe I should have poured more on. Okay, this one is the Liquitex. This is the price of it at Hobby Lobby in an 8 ounce. These are all 8 ounces without the coupon. This is only one coat. I put it on last night. You can see it has a little bit of shine. It's not phenomenal to me. I'm a little disappointed actually that it didn't shine better than what it's shining. And so you can tell right there, there's a little bit of shine to it. It's not very thick feeling. Okay, this one is one I've been using. I've gotten a lot of canvases out of this bottle, and it's about half gone now. I've probably done about 15. Now, I bought this years ago at $9.99. It's, I think, $13.97 now for this exterior-interior varnish, which should have good UV protection. And this is one that I just did a day or two ago. Just varnished it. I used 3 coats on it. And let me see if I can get it in the sunlight. It is pretty shiny, and it really has a good finish on it. My camera work is definitely not good, but if you can see, if I can get it in the sunlight a little bit more over here by my kitchen sink where the light's shining in, it's not really showing too well on this one. I don't know why, but it is shiny, and I would say that it's comparable to this one for sure with 1 coat on it. This one has 3. It's almost as shiny as this one is when you flip it and do like that. I don't know why it's not showing. It could be because it's a light color. But anyway, there's some of the shine. You can kind of see that now, how it's shining. And it really has a smooth texture. It levels out really well. And I like using it. It's thin after the first coat. You can go really fast on doing the second and third coats because you can brush it on really fast. It smooths right over it. So I hope this has been a help. And you can see more of what I'm talking about when I post stuff on Facebook. Love you guys. Have a good day.